What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Big Uno here. Today we're going to be working on that Kawasaki. Y'all stay tuned now. Today's video is taking the stock plastic junk radiator here and upgrading it for an aluminum one. Grab that out of my bag here. Wazam. Exactly like so. All right, going to the plastic end caps to complete aluminum. There we go. All right, so first things first, you're gonna take your cover off here. That's 2 screws there and there on both sides, there and there. And then from there, there's 2 bolts holding it in on each side, plus the hoses. And you take those 2 out as well. Right there. Next part, you got these, I believe, 10 millimeters. Yep. You got 4 10 millimeters. You're gonna take that off and then apply it to your shebang. All right, apply it to your new radiator. All right, that was a quick little video on the Eliminator